Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, we have made it over the hump. We're almost at the weekend, so it is time to get ready. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got an awesome lineup for you all to check out. Something casual, something nice, something new. All right, so with that being said, let's kick off this review with number one. And number one is called Futurum Gold 10. This one is nice. It's a 12-hour watch face. If I'm not mistaken, it also comes in 24 hours for those of you all who like the 24-hour time. But this is a really good look. I'm liking this watch face. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. But the Gears 2, I think in the AOD mode, looks a little bit better. But they both give you the info that you need to see at a glance. Now, when this watch face is on, you got a gold look to it with a background to it. Now, the background changes as the day goes on. So this is considered an animated watch face. It does not actually animate, but as the day progresses, this background theme kind of changes a little bit. So I'm liking the look. I'm liking the design. I like the fact that it's new. It is an analog and a digital watch face. So with me, I love the fact that you get the best in both worlds. Not only that, you're going to be able to get your step info, heart rate, battery percentage. You're going to get all the important things that you need to have on the watch face. And what I like about it most, it is interactive. So if you tap on any of those icons, it will take you into that application for you to get more info on that particular app. All right, you all, that's going to be it for number one. Let's go ahead and check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice as well, right? The name of this watch face is called Luxury Pack 1. Now, if you look at the watch face, it's very different, very unique, very casual, and always on mode. It's going to give you everything you can possibly want out of a watch face in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, I like the look. I like the uniqueness in the design. Now, it is an analog watch face. You get a few dials and all, and you do get your exercise and status info as well, right? But it has a traditional look to it with this blend of modernness, right? If that's even a word. But I like it because it is interactive, right? And you can tap into any of the icons. You can go get your step info, your battery percentage, calories burned, heart rate, things of that nature. You got the date going on down there at the bottom. But the background looks very unique, very different, really outside of the box, at least for what I'm used to having on my wrist. And if I tap on it, single tap, I could change the theme of the background. And I thought that was nice. Depending on what I'm wearing for the day, I can flex through a couple of different wallpapers to complement whatever it is that I'm wearing for that day. So I thought this was worthy of a review and a nice watch face to play on a casual day. I hope you liked it. Let's go on and check out, last but not least, watch face number three. Okay, you all, this is watch face number three, and this one might be the baddest out of the whole lineup, right? It is a true animated watch face, right? I'm liking the flames that's coming from the bezel of the watch. This watch face really, really looks cool. Now, in the always on mode, it looks just as nice. It's going to give you all the important info that you want to be able to see at a glance in the AOD mode. Not bad at all. Now, when the watch face is on, if you look at the top, it's going to give you info on your miles walked, right? You're going to get a digital time as well as analog. You're going to get all your step status info, and the one that's most important is going to be your steps. And again, it is interactive, so if you single tap on it, you'll be able to go into that particular application and get whatever info that you're seeking. So I like this. Here's your battery percentage on this side. You get everything. I'm liking this look. The customization of this, you don't really have. But all in all, for an animated watch face, this is nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped with getting you ready for the weekend that's almost here. And if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead, subscribe. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.